What's the best part of camping? Everyone has their own answer, but at Laramie RV Resort, finding your camping paradise means finding your people. They can be old friends you've been vacationing with forever. They can be your neighbors on a one-night stopover. But the thing we all have in common is a love for the great outdoors, the simple pleasures of life, and a place in Southern Wyoming as rich in beauty and accommodation as it is American history. There's something special about that moment when we discover a place that's tailor-made for us, everything we need to relax and unwind, and everyone we want to share those moments with. When you find your people, you find yourself. Life comes into focus, we enjoy the little moments more, and we spend more of our day soaking in the things we love about camping. Join us this season at Laramie RV Resort. Find your people and find your new favorite camping destination. Our journey is your journey. Let's go there together.